5 Best Pocket Watch. Here is the product number 5. Antique Style Roman Numerals Pocket Watch. Brand name, Yasuya. Movement, quartz case material, stainless steel. Feature, vintage steampunk watch. Bezel function, stationary. Dial window material type, acrylic. Gender, unisex. Item type, pocket and fob watches. Style, antique. Dial material type, acrylic. Bezel material type, alloy. Here is the product number 4. Rattan Triangle Double Quartz Pocket Watch. Attractive appearance, the bronze case is carved with a unique clown mask pattern, which makes the pocket watch look classic and fashionable. Premium movement, this pocket watch can work automatically for a long time in the daily life, because it uses the battery movement. High quality, the case of this pocket watch is made of hard material, so that is not easy to damage and rust or break. Here is the product number 3. Ball-shaped Butter Quartz Pocket Watch. Brand name, Yasuya. Movement, Quartz. Case material, stainless steel. Gender, unisex. Style, antique. Face color, white. Features, 12-hour dial closure, full hunter intended use, anniversary, birthday, Christmas, New Year's Eve, Boxing Day. Subject matter, autumn, winter, summer, spring. Style, fashion. Modern novel stylish. Here is the product number 2. Dog Wolf Holow Quartz Pocket Watch. Color, bronze. Movement, quartz. Brand name, Gorban. Case shape, round. Bezel material type, stainless steel. Feature, pocket watch. Gender, unisex. Style, antique. Condition, new without tags. Dial window material type, acrylic. Dial display, analog. Case material, stainless steel. Here is the product number 1. Compass Mason Retro Necklace Pendant Quartz Pocket Watch. Exquisite appearance, bronze pocket watch with exquisite carving craft, big apostrophe 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 G apostrophe apostrophe pattern on the front and special flower patterns on back case. Movement, precision. Quartz movement pocket watch, provide precise and accurate timekeeping. Perfect length of pocket watch chain for draping from the neck to your chest.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.